In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Sniperoo to BullX Neo. So the first thing you want to do is go, of course, and create a BullX Neo account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up using my link, you will get a 10% discount on all trading fees. So make sure you check that out. Now, once you have your BullX account, if you want to connect Sniperoo, you want to go to Google and type in Sniperoo and then go to the first website, which is sniperoo.app. Just click on that. And from here, you'll have to log in with either Google, so your Google account, or your Telegram account. You can select and choose because it doesn't really matter. Now, once you've done that, you have to go over here inside their platform, and of course, once you're logged in, by the way, if it's asking you for a referral code, and if it doesn't let you through without the referral code, here it is. So if I click on referrals, that's my referral code. You can use it if you want to. I don't really care. You can get some bonuses and some discounts on fees, and I think I will get some rewards as well. So if you want to support me, you can do it, but feel free to use a code from somebody else. Now, once you are in here, we're going to go back to wallets. You want to click on add extension first, which is the yellow button up top, and then add the Chrome, and then add extension. Now, this will add your extension over here. You can then close the web store, and I'm going to pin this just for easier access. There we go. And if I now open it, for the first time, if you're using this for the first time, it may say that you need an access code. And if it does say so, next to it, it should say something along the lines, how to get it or something like that. And if you click on that, it will open up Telegram. You'll basically connect your Telegram to Sniperoo with just one click, and you'll get the access code, which you can then input and paste in here, and you'll be able to start using it. But if it doesn't say that, and if it requires no access code whatsoever, like in my case over here, that's great as well, because you can just go directly through it. So once you have done this, you can then basically pretty much start using it. But before that, we have to import the private key of Sniperoo, so the wallet, inside BullX Neo. And the way you do this is by going to Wallets. You can then select your wallet. So you have the test wallet and then the main wallet. Of course, you should use the main wallet. You want to click Export over here. And then you can copy the private key and view it, but make sure nobody sees it, because do not share it with anyone, as it says over here. This is very important. Now, I'm not going to show it to you. I'm just going to copy it this time over here. And then you want to go to BullX, and inside BullX, you want to click over here on the left on where it says Wallet Manager. You then want to click on Import over here, and then you want to click Solana and paste in your private key. So I'm just going to move this away so you can't see my private key. And then after you're done, you just want to click Import Wallet, which is at the very bottom. Once you've done that, and once you've successfully imported the wallet, what you can do is just start using it. So you can go to any of the coins over here. So let's say you go to BullX and you go to a random coin over here. So let's just, I don't know, let's go to, I guess this one, it doesn't really matter. And then if you open this up here, you'll be able to see that it's going to start working. If it doesn't show up yet, you want to refresh your website over here. And then as you can see it on my screen over here, and that's it. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.